Continuing with our prop testing on the Eachine Miss Helen 500mm P51D 2S Brushless Warbird, I have a 40-45 3-blade prop. It's a Gem Fan ABS. So let's take it out here and see. Looks kind of small on there, but I'm just curious to see how well this prop worked out. Alright, so let's see here. Launching. Alright, we're in manual mode. Oh, heck. That looks like it's showing some pretty good power. Let's see that. Oh, yeah. How about that? I thought maybe it would be too small. But it's not. Rolls look pretty good. That was a left roll. Let's come back through here and do one to the right. Get some speed. Not bad at all. Big, huge, wide loop. Kind of noisy. Pretty speedy. What do you guys think of that one? That's pretty slick. I think I'm liking this prop. And I'm certainly not being easy on it, am I? Holy cow. I got another good candidate. I think these will be pretty easy to find too. Now the question is, how efficient? How efficient is this 3-blade prop going to be? Good question, huh? I can feel that the power's dropping off a bit. I don't know how long I've had it in the air so far. I've got my timer set for 6 minutes. Yeah, I can feel the power falling off. Yeah, it's still doing pretty good loops though. Not with as much authority though. But it's still pulling vertical pretty good. You got to get a run at it, but this motor just doesn't have enough torque to pull vertical very well from a slow start. But you get a run at it, it pulls vertical pretty well. Can we do another loop? I don't know how many I've done so far. Yeah, that didn't have very good authority there for that loop. That one was better. Get a little run at it. I pushed it pretty hard during this flight. Alright, I'm just now starting to get my haptic. Let's come back around. Get it on the ground. Nobody coming. I've been testing all these props. I've been testing all these props with 6-minute flights. I've been pushing them off fairly hard. So that's another prop that gives pretty darn good performance. Almost up to the end. I would say at about the 4.5, 5-minute mark, you can feel it, the power slacking off a bit. You know, it doesn't have quite as much authority doing big wide loops after about 4.5 minutes of, you know, hard flying like I was doing. But let's see what kind of voltage we've got left on this pack. .6, 3.82, 3.83. So let me see, how long did I have it in the air? Looks like I just went 7 seconds over. 6 minutes, 7 seconds. It looks like it's going to be another prop that's going to give good performance, and it looks like I'm going to be able to get 8-minute flights out of it, leaving 3.6 volts per cell. It seems to be pretty standard with most of the props I've tested so far. At least an 8-minute flight, pushing it fairly hard with mixed mode flying, so I can't complain about that. I think getting better performance than the stock prop and being able to get a minimum of 8 minutes of flying on it, flying it the way I was flying, I think it's pretty darn good. So that is the Gemfan 4045 3-blade bullnose ABS prop. I have links to it in the show notes. That's a wrap on this episode. I'll see you next time in the Tinkerz Lab.